Welcome, crypto enthusiasts, to our channel where we uncover the most lucrative opportunities in the world of cryptocurrencies. In today's video, we're going to dive deep into the exciting phenomenon known as the crypto gold rush. Get ready to unleash your potential for wealth creation. Let's jump right in. The crypto gold rush is a game-changing phenomenon that has captured the attention of investors worldwide. But what exactly is it and how can you be part of it? Allow us to guide you through the key elements of this thrilling digital gold rush. First and foremost, the crypto gold rush is fueled by the remarkable technology known as blockchain. This revolutionary technology underpins cryptocurrencies, providing a secure and transparent platform for transactions. Its potential applications are virtually limitless. By joining the crypto gold rush, you have the opportunity to tap into the incredible potential for exponential growth. Many early adopters of cryptocurrencies have witnessed life-changing returns on their investments. The key is to identify the right projects and seize the right opportunities. To participate in the crypto gold rush, you'll need to familiarize yourself with reputable cryptocurrency exchanges. These platforms allow you to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies with ease. Ensure you choose a secure and user-friendly exchange to protect your investments. To shed more light on the crypto gold rush, we had the privilege of sitting down with a leading expert in the cryptocurrency field. Let's hear their insights on how to navigate this exciting digital landscape. Wow, those insights were truly invaluable. Our expert has provided us with a wealth of knowledge on how to thrive in the crypto gold rush. But wait, there's more. Before we wrap up, here's a bonus point for our loyal viewers. We've partnered with a top cryptocurrency project to offer an exclusive opportunity. By using our referral link below, you'll gain early access to their upcoming token sale, allowing you to secure a potentially lucrative position in their ecosystem. Don't miss out on this exclusive bonus. That wraps up today's video, fellow crypto adventurers. The crypto gold rush is calling, and it's time for you to unleash your potential for wealth creation. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all things crypto. Until next time, happy investing.